In this brief tutorial, we will guide you through the process of removing the edge panel on your Samsung device. The edge panel is a feature that provides quick access to applications, but some individuals may find it unnecessary or distracting. If you prefer a more streamlined and clutter-free screen, follow these simple steps. Swipe down from the top of the screen. Tap on the gear icon located at the top right corner to access the settings menu. Scroll down and select the display option. Scroll down further and locate the edge panels option. To disable the edge panel, simply toggle off the switch next to it. By following these steps, you will have successfully removed the edge panel from your Samsung device, resulting in a cleaner and more organized screen layout.